Welcome to our channel, Shadow Tutor. Today, we're sharing 10 healthy meal prep ideas for busy people. Number 1. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and your favorite fruits. Refrigerate overnight. Wake up to a ready-to-eat breakfast. Number 2. Mason jar salads. Layer your favorite veggies, beans, and proteins in a jar. Keep dressing at the bottom. Shake and enjoy a fresh salad anywhere. Number 3. Chicken and veggie stir fry. Cook chicken, broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots. Add soy sauce or teriyaki. Divide into containers for quick lunches. Number 4. Quinoa bowls. Cook quinoa and top with roasted veggies and lean protein. Add a drizzle of your favorite sauce. A nutritious meal ready in minutes. Number 5. Greek yogurt and berries. Pack Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola, a protein-packed snack or breakfast on the go. Number 6. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs, add chopped veggies, and pour into muffin tins. Bake until set. Perfect for a quick, protein-rich breakfast. Number 7. Turkey and veggie roll-ups. Wrap turkey slices around cucumber sticks, bell peppers, and avocado, a low-carb, high-protein snack. Number 8. Brown rice and beans. Cook brown rice and black beans. Mix with corn, tomatoes, and spices. A fiber-rich, filling meal. Number 9. Smoothie packs. Freeze fruits, veggies, and protein powder in bags. Blend with your choice of liquid for a quick breakfast or snack. Number 10. Hummus and veggie snack boxes. Pack hummus with sliced carrots, celery, and bell peppers. A crunchy, satisfying snack. There you have it, 10 healthy meal prep ideas for busy people. Try them out and let us know your favorites in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.